Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how to create a EC2 instance for a Ubuntu Linux system, and also we are going to we are going to connect to that system. Okay, so to create EC2 instance for Ubuntu Linux, first we need to log into Amazon website, like AWS website. See, if you go to a browser and type aws.amazon.com, so you'll see this kind of page, and you need to sign into that account, right? If you have already created your account, you can directly sign into that account by clicking on this. Otherwise, if you don't have the account, you need to create an account for this. This is a simple step that you can create your account. You can create it easily. Just click on this create account and uh, give the information that is required. Okay, it will ask for the credit card. It will also deduct 1 or 2 rupees, I think. Or if you are from other countries like US, it will deduct $1, but that will be credited. No worries. So once you can create an account, you can sign in from this button. Okay. As I'm already logged into this account in this browser, so it is directly logged into this account, and you can see the region over here, the right top corner. So you can select whatever the region that you want, but I recommend that if you select, you need to select the region that you are that is near to your location that you are in now. Okay. So as I'm in India, I have selected this Asia Pacific Mumbai. Okay. Now you can see this kind of dashboard here. You can see console home, and you can if you have already using the services, you can see the recently visited services here. Otherwise, if you don't see any services, you can search any service that you want. Okay. As of now, I need EC2, right? So I'm going to select this service. So you can see the EC2 instances, EC2 related dashboard, and you can see the instances that are running over here. As of now, there are no instances running in my account. So I can see the 0 over here, and all the instances that are there, and security groups that are attached to your instances. I have already created one EC2 instance for a Windows. So for that account, it is created two security groups. Uh, uh, but now I have stopped that. That is why it is not showing in running status. So the key pair, it needs to be you need to create one key pair for EC2 instance, because whenever you want to connect to that instance, you need a key pair. Okay. So we'll quickly launch one instance by going into this. I am going to instances running. See, you can see no instances or no matching instances found. That means the status equal to instance state equal to running. So you can see the instance state over here. There are no running instances, so I cannot see any running instances. So if I close this, so I think I've terminated one instances that I've created. So that is also not showing here. As of now, in my account, there are no instances. So now we are going to create a launch. We are going to launch an instance. So by clicking on this, see here, you can see an orange button, like yellow orange button. You can click on that. So it will ask you to create, it will ask some detail to create an instance. So I'm going to give project Ubuntu. As I am creating an Ubuntu, you can give any name here. There is no restriction. If you want to add tags, you can add by, if you want quick search, you can add tags also. That is optional. You can, if you want, you can add, otherwise you don't need to add. And this is the application and OS images. So you can choose any one of them, like Amazon or Linux, Mac OS, whatever the requirement you have, you can choose one of them. So as I'm now, I want to create Ubuntu Linux system, so I'm going to click on this Ubuntu. I'm going to select this one. Now you can see Ubuntu server, the version of the Ubuntu server, and also the configuration that it has. So it's a 64-bit, and also SSD volume type. Now the instance type. So this is the instance type. According to this, you will get number of CPUs or memory types. Like if you want more memory, you can choose other type. See, T2 Nano has 1 GPU and 0.5 GB memory, and T2 Micro is getting 1 GB memory, and T2 Small is getting 2 GB memory according to the requirement that you have. If you want 32 GB memory, 32 GB memory and 8 CPU, then you can select this one. So according to your requirement, you can select one of them. Okay. I'm going to select this one because this is a free tier eligible. So if you select other than this T2.micro, you will get charged for the instances. So if you create any instance type, if you create an instance with any other type, like you know or T2.medium or large, any other type, you will definitely get charged. But to avoid the charges, I'm going to select this one, free tier eligible, for because this is only for learning purpose, right? So I want to select this one only. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, and the key pair that I'm going to create it now. So the key pair is important. As of now, I have one key pair, but I want to show you how to create a key pair also. So I can select existing key pair, or else you can also create a new key pair. So I'm going to create a new key pair for this key Ubuntu. Okay, and you can select one of them, like .ppm or .pem or .ppk, because .pem, if you download .pem, if you download .pem, one second. So if you are trying to download this key pair with .pem, then you can directly connect with you can directly connect from your terminal. But if you are trying to download the ppk file, then you need putty installed in your system, so that you can easily find out in your in the Google. Just search for putty download, then you can find easily. Just download it, and you can directly connect with the ppk file. That is also easy. I will also try to show you the upcoming videos how to connect with ppk from your system. Okay, now I'm going to download .pem file. I'm going to create a key pair for that. So just click on create key pair. So it will get downloaded key Ubuntu. So you need this one to connect to this particular machine. Okay, this particular EC2 instance. So EC2 instance is just a plain computer that you can think of, like you are getting a plain computer with some amount of memory and some amount of hard disk, like kind of that. Okay, so for this I'm getting 1 GB of memory, and the volume that I'm getting is 8 GB. Okay, so I'm going to allow all the topics for this system. I'm going to get 8 GB. You can see here free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS, overall 30 GB, not for a single instance. Okay, you can think, if you create an instance for if you create one instance and you are using 30 GB of memory EBS for that particular instance, and you are trying to create another free tier instance, and if you are trying to use again some amount of value for that, then it will get charged. Definitely it will get charged. So you need to take care of all those things. So you need to aware all the free tier services, how it can be. So for now we are going to create an instance with the we are keeping this as it is by default what it is there, and the rest of them also default selections will be as it is. I'm going to launch an instance now. So my instance is going to launch. My virtual machine has been created now. So we'll click quickly go to instances. So the instance state is pending. So we will wait until that is running. Okay. So once that is running, then only we'll be able to connect. So let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah. Now it is changed to running. Then we can connect to this particular instance. So you need to select this instance and click on connect, and you can go to SSH client, right? So this is the way we can connect to with the terminal. Okay. So if we will discuss some of the information in the instances. This is the instance ID that is assigned to this instance, and this is the public IPv4, and this is the private IPv4. So this is also public IPv4 DNS. Okay. And okay, so rest of the things are all normal. So the key page that you have created here, it is right, key Ubuntu that is been here. Now you can connect to this instance by using SSH client. Okay. So since you are connecting from the terminal, okay, so I'm going to open my terminal. Okay. You need to go to the particular folder that you that key pair is in, right? My key pair is in download folder now, so I'm going to download folder. Okay. Now, so this key pair you are going to connect, right? So this key pair is in download folder, that is why I'm going to download folder. And this entire text you need to copy. So I'm going to copy this. So this is the way that you can connect to a particular machine by using SSH. So the Ubuntu here it is there, no, that is the username. So you can see the username is an Ubuntu. Okay. And this is the public IPv4 DNS. See, I have already shown you. This is the sorry. This is the public IPv4. You can type also if you want. You can type SSH minus I and the key pair, then username @ the IPv4. Okay. I'm going to connect now. Simply you need to copy. So just connect it. You need to type yes. It is asking, are you sure you want to connecting? Continue connecting. So I'm going to click say yes. See, it is connected to my EC2 instance now. So all the operations that have been now you can do in that particular instance. So I'm going to see if there are any folders available. No, I'm going to create one folder now. Like we can create one directory using how we can create okay. So you can do whatever you want. Okay. So you can create one simple directory by using this command mkdir. I'm going to create a project. See, you can create just one directory like this. Like if you click on this, if you type ls, this means ls means list of directories, list of files that you that are there in that path. Okay, so you can see the project folder. So whatever the operations that you want, you can do. Whatever, you can also build your projects in this system. Okay, so this is the way that you can create an EC2 instance for Ubuntu Linux, and you can also connect to by using the key pair, right? So I hope you like this video for now. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and please like, share, and comment on this channel. Whatever the views on this particular videos, then you can comment on the comment section. Okay, thank you.